Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Flowmaster American Thunder axle-back system for the 2016 to 2020 Camaro SS and ZL1, both with the dual mode exhaust or the NPP valves. Now this system is going to feature Flowmaster's deep aggressive sound level in stealth mode and an aggressive racetrack sound in track mode when the valves are open. It is also constructed out of 409 stainless steel and ends with their large polished 4-inch double-walled slash-cut tips. Now as stated before, this system will retain the factory dual mode or NPP function. So you will still have the option to use the factory mode selector that could keep your neighbors happy. Jumping right into the installation, we are going to have to cut the factory system. Flowmaster does tell us to measure 1.5 inches from the cross member of the rear suspension. This is where we make our cut points. With our points made and double checked, we are going to cut the factory system. Now we can disconnect the dual mode or NPP valves by simply unplugging the factory connector. Then using a 15mm wrench, we can remove the factory hangers on the body of the car and the rubber hangers on the sides of the muffler. With the mounts loosened and the rubber hangers removed, we can remove the muffler as one unit. Before we install the Flowmaster system, we will swap over the factory hangers so the system can be hung in the correct location. At the same time, we will remove the factory valve motors and install them on the Flowmaster system. With each half of the system ready, we can install them and make the necessary adjustments to the assemblies to ensure our tips are straight. Once we have everything where we want it, we will tighten down our clamps. That's it guys, the Flowmaster American Thunder axle-back system is now installed. Now, it's time for some sound clips. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.